Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to find FAQs for Coldwell Banker. You need to head over to Google and you're gonna search for FAQ Coldwell Banker, just like so. As you can see, this is their connection FAQs, and these are normally frequent asked questions. And then if yours is a rental FAQ, real estate FAQ, owner FAQ, or like buying, archive, sell, I'll just show you an example. This, like, can foreigners own real estate in Mexico? Yes, they can, via a Mexican land trust called this one. And you'll see there are more questions like this. If you have your question, you can read it from there. But if it's like, something that is categorized, you can search it from here and find it under these categories. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.